This seems to be a very 1958. This seems to be a very popular game back when it came out in 1958 by Milton Bradley. The Woodpecker game. I really remember the box, but not the board, and I know I never played it before. And it seems like a simple, easy game. So you get your grandkids to play that, and instead of being stuck in some game it's going to drive you nuts for hours. It's another spin and move game, so there's that spinner, and my fingers do not handle a reflex camera, a non-reflex camera. So you spin, and your men, one moves 5 and one moves 2. So how you're supposed to set it up is, and since I'm supposed to have 6 of these, and I do not of any color, the blue and green will be against the yellow and red. And you're supposed to put one of each of these down here, and your opponent's supposed to do the same thing. And you put one of your men here and one there, and your opponent does the same. Now you move the 5 and 2. I guess there is strategy here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. Then your opponent would move. Your opponent's red. If he was to get a 6, he'd get to move again. The object is to get all, is to go up here, and then you turn right here. If you get like a 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you would get Andy Panda there, and then you would move a matching nickel up there. I guess you could use real money, couldn't you? And you're supposed to go, and the first person to get all their pieces up there, all 6, wins the game. If you up there and you land on something, your own man, you cannot move, or any man, you cannot move. You have to stay here if for some reason. And they talk about going back, but I guess that's only if you land on something. You go back to that spot. Now if you land on somebody while coming up here, like up here, and you land on them, they go all the way back to the beginning. So it's simple, and it should be over. And I don't know why. This is start here, but the game board is upside down, so I guess maybe you start from up there. And I also guess it doesn't matter. So that's the Woodpecker game by Milton Bradley.